Hello dreamers, and welcome to Jones Family Travels, where we talk about our family travel adventures and share some tips and tricks with you along the way. If that's something you're into, be sure to click that red subscribe button so you can join us for all of our family adventures. Today, those adventures take us to SeaWorld's Howl-O-Scream. We're going to go in and explore all the scary events and adventures they have for us there tonight, and we'd love for you to come along and join us on the adventure.
Already. Look at this. Oh, it's gonna be pretty crazy. But I have Tim here to protect me.
And no kids.
And no kids. I hear chainsaws. That is never a good sign.
What is it?
I did not like that. Someone's gonna jump out at us. Oh no, 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 no.
Find it! Find the stone! Get out of here! Where's the stone?
You see they have like metal plates on their knees and they slide through and it lights up. Woo! That was awesome. Alright, so first house of the night. We made it. We survived. The chainsaw guy did not get us. So we
were too close to the group in front of us, so he was already out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think he would have gotten Allison.
For scaredy-cats like me, they have a little necklace that you can buy that says no boo, and it lights up and it tells the scare actors not to scare you. I need that. So for any scaredy-cats, you need that.
So we're going through the Frozen Terror scare zone, and you can see icicles on their nose and ears and things like that. Pretty cool zone. I think it would be better after dark. All right, we are getting ready to go beneath the ice. That is our second house of the night. So, are you guys ready to join us for a little scaring?
around you. But there was a siren halfway through. Didn't you think the siren was cool?
I didn't notice the siren.
The girl in blue, wasn't that the siren?
Oh, that kind of siren.
Yeah, she was awesome.
There was a girl like down low that really scared me, and I don't really scare that easily. You could not see her at all until she jumped up.
Yeah, Tim, I jumped many times. Tim jumps many times.
Yeah, that was a good
awesome.
house.
That was a good one.
Next up is the Deadly Ambush Scare Zone. Still not dark yet. Obviously they'd be better at dark, but this one looks pretty promising. I'm looking forward to this. I hear chainsaws already.
Full start.
Okay, what did you guys think of Deadly Ambush? We've now done 2 houses and 2 scare zones. That means we have 2 houses left and 2 scare zones left.
Wait, we're not done with Deadly
we're not
Ambush. There's
done.
more.
Oh, hence the ambush.
Please don't go! Please don't go down there. They'll get you. They got me. They'll get you.
The wolves are just behind you! You only have moments! Turn around! Follow them! They have the right idea! You need to leave! They're gonna get you!
All right, so this is exactly like the tent we stayed in Maine. It's a little scarier looking.
That's what happened to me in there! And it'll be you soon enough!
We thought we were not done with the Deadly Ambush, but we're actually going into the Great Outdoors Awaits Scare Zone. So this is our 3rd scare zone. And having just gotten done with a camping trip, this one's a little spooky.
What they did to my tent.
Oh, I used to have that same picnic table at home. So what do you guys think? Does this look just like the RV in the first season of Walking Dead? I think it does. That's the first thing I thought of. Looks like she's having some engine trouble.
Get out of here! It's not safe!
Doesn't it look like the guys from your movie you did? Look at him.
He likes Allison. Allison's not such a big fan. You think he looks like the guy from our movie?
I thought at first from the distance. He's still following. He's got a hand in his hand.
He's got a hand in his hand.
Going down!
We found an easy target.
If you don't scream and ignore them, they'll leave you alone.
Got a cut there?
Get out of here.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely the best scare zone yet. The Great Outdoors Awaits. Make sure you see that one when you come to Howl-O-Scream.
Like gumbo?
Love gumbo.
World's best gumbo. The chicken feet and all. You want some?
Okay.
Going into Witchcraft Bayou. Allison found a friend. Ah!
Keep moving.
I'm surrounded. That was creepy. They surrounded me. We are heading into the Sea of Souls. Looks like a pirate theme.
the rides like Mako is open 5-minute wait for Mako. That's amazing. I think we need to ride. Let's go. Tim and Jen shared something super cool with us. We can actually pay to scare people in the houses. So it is 4 scares for $5 or 10 scares for $8. I feel like I need to scare a lot of people, so I think I'm gonna do the $8 one. But how cool is this? We're doing it, you guys.
Make sure you wait for this to turn green again, otherwise it's going to turn red.
We ran into Central Florida Vlogs here. Just wanted to say hi. Go check out their channel. I hope you guys enjoyed Howl-O-Scream as much as we did. This is SeaWorld's first year doing a Halloween themed scare house type event, and I think they did an excellent job. I would feel perfectly comfortable bringing Kelly and Hunter along to this event. Unfortunately, tonight it was only for adults, but again, from what I saw and what we experienced, I would be happy bringing them here to this event. I think it's a great family event. It's not too scary, but just scary enough for, I'd say, teen level kids. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you enjoyed this video, or if you want to see more of what we do, click that red subscribe button and be sure to click the like button. We'd really appreciate it. And keep on dreaming. Love you all. I like your heads.